Hello friends, and welcome to another video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now? Zucchini Squash Fritters. Check out all our delicious ingredients today. Ooh, one's rolling away already. Hold on to your garlic salt. We will be using zucchini squash, yellow onion, green peppers, potatoes, garlic salt, and Trader Joe's Saffarito Italian style seasoning. Oh. First, we're going to cut our zucchini squash in half so we can scoop out all those inner seeds. We essentially want to take away all the outer skin of your zucchini squash, but I quickly realized this was a very difficult method and maybe we should stick to a potato peeler. Hold on. There we go. Way easier. After you're done peeling away all the zucchini squash skin, you're going to set that potato peeler aside and get out your cheese grater. Oh yeah, I said it, cheese grater. We're making fritters, remember? Carefully grate that zucchini squash all the way down to a nub and try to avoid cutting up your fingers because nobody likes a bloody fritter, do they? After you finish with your squash, you're going to peel your potatoes and it's time for their torture. Grate away, little potato friends. And remember, once you get close to the end of your vegetable, just throw it out of your way. And by that, I mean into the sink or the garbage can. We don't want to be throwing our friends and family potatoes, do we? Do we? So, next step, we're going to take a thick piece of paper towel and we're going to blot our veggies and get all that moisture out and set it aside. Moving on. Now let's chop up our pepper and onion. Cut off the butt of the pepper, throw it aside, and now let's make long slices. Oh, smell that. Oh, you can't smell that, but it smells really good. Just try to avoid the seeds. The more seeds that you have in your dish, the spicier it is, and that's not really what we're going for. And mince up your pepper. Chop, chop, chop. Sometimes I think I should wear goggles because things are always squirting into my eyes, like that. While cooking, guys, while cooking, you little dirty zucchini heads. Wait, that doesn't sound good either. Damn it. Finish chopping up your pepper, and then we're going to move on to our onion. If you've seen my videos before, I like to chop off the ends and almost make a cross hatch cutting through the onion, and then it makes life so much easier to mince it up. Check it out. Easy, easy, easy. Push those ingredients to the side and we're going to start our remoulade. So it begins with mayo and adding about a tablespoon of olive oil, give or take. Add in a few spins of our garlic salt. As well as some fresh lemon juice. I got these little lemons from my neighbor's farm. So adorable. If you're worried about seeds getting into your dish, just use your fingers as a strainer and let the juice flow through while you catch the seeds. Once you're done with all your ingredients, you're gonna whisk away. Whisk, whisk, whisk away. Ooh, that tastes delicious. You're gonna set that aside into your fridge until we're ready for it with our fritters. It's assembly time. We need our eggs, baking powder, flour, and all our veggie ingredients for our fritters. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl to make our wet mixture for our zucchini fritters. Was that an arm that just went behind me? Did anyone else see that? Was that a ghost? Maybe just a boyfriend ruining my video. That's okay. Back to our mixture. 2 eggs. Grab your baking powder and add about a teaspoon. I tend to just eyeball things and sprinkle it in. But first, let's whisk our eggs. Add a couple of twirls of our magic garlic salt and mix it in. And let's not forget our Trader Joe's Saffarito Italian seasoning. And now the baking powder. Add about a 1/4 cup of flour and whisk it all together. Finally, the time has come to make our fritters. Pour in your wet ingredients into your zucchini, squash, and potatoes. And then next you're going to add your onions and peppers. Make sure you're mixing from bottom to the top so you're blending all those flavors together. And now my favorite ingredient for the whole dish is Parmigiano Reggiano. I don't think you can ever have too much. Just grate about a pound in. Okay, maybe not a pound, but you can be generous. It's time for cooking. You're gonna warm up your skillet and add olive oil to fill the pan. With a spoon, you're gonna scoop out of your mixture about golf-sized fritters and just lay them down into your olive oil for about 3 minutes and then squish them down with a fork until they flatten. Once the first side turns a nice golden brown, we're going to take some tongs and start flipping these bad boys over. Get over here, you little squirmy one. Ooh yeah, look at them getting bubbly and crispy. Delicious. Once they're finished, you're going to set your fritters on top of a paper towel to reduce any oil and then plate them however you'd like. Let's dip in. Oh yeah, zucchini squash fritters with potatoes and onions and peppers in an oil and lemon herb remoulade. Can't beat that, guys. Enjoy. Thanks for watching another video of What the Fuck Is She Doing Now? Zucchini Squash Fritters.